Welcome to Jury Analyst's Virtual Focus Group Guide. This is your tactical guide for conducting targeted pretrial research. The need for pretrial research is crucial to building your case. With virtual focus groups, you can go deeper than basic demographic criteria for juror selection. You can frame your case and evaluate themes before trial, testing out on real, virtual mock jurors. In addition, focus groups allow you to accurately forecast expected compensation to improve settlement negotiations. Traditional focus groups have many purposes and come in many forms. However, they are limited to a small number of community members. Large virtual focus groups have many benefits, including accurate representation of the demographics of your venue. At this early discovery stage, larger samples provide more information. Additionally, focus groups work best in informal settings. Respondents are more likely to give their true opinions in a more relaxed setting of an informal focus group. Otherwise, you risk suppressing biases and experience behavior such as the bandwagon effect, where individuals follow the opinions and actions of others, or the courtesy bias, where individuals suppress their opinion to adopt a more acceptable one. Because they minimize these distorting effects, virtual meetings are the ideal form for this research. Creating focus groups that adhere to the field's best practices is intricate and difficult. This is where our focus group department can be of great assistance. We combine years of human expertise with validated scientific methods to craft cost-effective, high-quality virtual focus groups. When it comes to personality and unconscious bias, we are able to gain information that in-person focus groups conducted by law firms are unable to capture. We record all participants' videos during their virtual live focus group. We then use machine learning technology at scale to analyze the video, to examine facial expressions of emotion, including sadness, anger, fear, worry, surprise, and contempt. We can pinpoint exactly what topic, question, or theme elicits emotion from the participant. Science-backed data allows us to develop juror profiles, in turn, increasing your odds of winning.